Welcome to how to unarchive a post on Instagram. So in this video we are going to show you how to unarchive a post on Instagram. But before start of this video I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you're gonna have to do, you will open up your Instagram and then you will go into your profile, and what you're gonna have to do here, you will tap on these three lines at the top right, and then here you can see that we have this option where it says archive. So if you don't see this option here, it might be in your settings and privacy. So you will need to tap on archive, and then from here make sure that posts archive is selected. So I have archived this post. I will open up this post, tap on these three lines, and then here it says show on profile. Okay, so tap on show on profile and again go back to your profile, and now if I scroll down you will see that I can see this post here in my profile. Okay, I will just refresh my account, and now if I go down you will see that I will be able to see the post here, okay, like this one. So that's how you can basically unarchive a post on Instagram. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.